Mm. Hey, today we're making a tier list. Gobblegums and BO3. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Okay, so let's start here. Aftertaste. If you down, you revive with your If you get revived while downed, you get all your perks back. That is, whoops, pretty average. It's okay in my opinion. That's a classic. This one turns 10 points into 1 ammo back. That is a pretty good one. I do not like always done swiftly. I just don't see the point. It's a waste. I just don't see it. In reality, this is a really bad gobblegum. This is horrible. But I like using it for fun. Okay, moving on. I don't even know what this is. I'm sure it's good, but I don't like it. Oh, I love Arms Grace. If you're playing multiplayer, it is so good to have. I'm gonna put that in A tier. What's this? That's not disorderly combat. I don't know what that is. This is bored to death. It's average, not great. Same with the board games. These are called building barriers, but that's kind of not worth it, and, you know, it's not really worth it. So, This is bullet boost. Repack your current pack-a-punch weapon. I mean, it's okay. I guess that's a free double pap. I think that Burnt Out is a good one on paper, but 9 times out of 10, it's just 9 times out of 10, and it's just you're gonna get hit by that one zombie, and it's gonna set off your Widow's Wine, and you're burned out, and you would have wasted your gobblegum. Oh, cash back, dude. This has saved me so many times, man. Coagulant, Just take a second to think. It's not great. I mean, bleeding out does help. Your bleed out timer is longer, which is good if you're on multiplayer. And it is a classic, I do suppose. But I still don't think it, crate power. That is good. I like that. Pack-a-punch, a weapon you get out of the box. That is so good. This is really only useful for the, I feel like it's average. It's only really good for the void bow on, whatever it's called. Horizon Drac. Ooh. Okay, this one on paper is just PhD flopper, and I love it. Dead of Nuclear Winter, free nuke. Ooh. Disorderly Combat, it's alright, I suppose. It's good if you... I think it's alright. You swap guns, right? Yeah. Swap guns every, like, 10 seconds or something. Ooh. This isn't thermal enhancement. It's a pretty good one. Good on the rounds when you don't have it. When you don't have enough for pack. But you're better off just, like, buying an extra credit, getting an extra credit. Oh, Death Machine. Free Death Machine, man. Fear and Headlights. When you look at zombies, they freeze, right? Is that it? I think, yeah. Okay. I have the wiki pulled up right next to me. Can't see it because, well, it's right next to me. I think it's alright. Not B tier worthy, though. I don't know what that is. Whatever. I'm going to put that there because you could get something good or something bad. Head drama, it's okay. It's alright, I suppose, but ooh, Idolize is super good. You and your teammates get ignored by all zombies for like, what, 30 seconds? Can't rank that one since it could be literally, come on. I personally like the randomization perks only because it's fun. Inhalation, dude. Such a good one for the early rounds. Impatient. I think it's alright. Oh, I love In Plain Sight, dude. I'm gonna put that right there. Killing time is not great. It's okay. Right there. Ooh. Killjoy is just a free insta. I really think it's alright. It's an alright. I don't know what that is. I don't have this unlocked. Ooh, Mind Blown. I really do like that one. This is, oh my god, this is awesome. Near-death experience, free invincibility. That's so good. Okay, had to look up what this one was. When you use it, all zombies attracted. If your teammate's in a crunch, then yeah, it's okay. Ooh, on the house free perk. Granted, it's not what you want. Oh my god, Perkaholic, all perks on the map. I see that as a great perk. What is this? Oh, Phoenix Hub. Revive your teammates when down. That is super good. Pop Shocks, it's alright. I'll end up just knifing the one zombie and wasting it. Ooh, Power Vacuum is so good on the later rounds. Oh, dude, Profit Sharing is great for early rounds. Everybody gets all the points near you. Raindrops, all the drops that you can get. Respin cycle, 2 free extra spins in the box. That's pretty good. Round robin. I don't see it unless you're on like around 40. Same with Secret Shopper. Buy wall weapon, buy ammo for your wall weapon, or buy ammo for your gun off of any wall buy. It's alright. Okay, this one is super good. Self-med is super good. Not as good as Near Death, though. Shopping free, dude. I was playing a game earlier today. Fucking shopping free. Fucking shopping free, dude. It was so good. I got both of my guns packed and I bought Widow's Wine, dude. We're trying to do the Shadows Easter egg, but we died because I got clustered Also, Slaughter Slide. It is kind of meh. I personally do not see the point in Soda Fountain. This is just horrendous. I don't get this out of my sight. What does that do? Fucking... I don't remember even. I think it's good. What's this? Temporal? I think it's good. Oh, Unbearable. Okay, Unbearable I think I'll put at C tier. Undead Men Walking is good for the later rounds when they're all running at 2 miles an hour. Ooh, Unquenchable is nice to have. Imagine you got like widows and stuff. That'd be awesome. Ooh, Wall Power is what I believe that is. That is super good. Who's keeping score is double points for free. Anyway, that is my tier list of Gobblegums. Thank you for joining me on this video today. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.